FIFA 23 is now working on crossover 26. In this video, I will show you how to play it.
Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up.
First, on your crossover, click Duplicate to create a clone version to avoid any problems with the main app. I will name it Crossover Clone. You can name it whatever you want. Next, we will download an app called Gstreamer. I will give you the link in the description. Choose macOS, and then choose the most recent runtime installer, on current stable version. After downloaded, click to install the app. Click Continue, Continue, Agree, Continue and Install. Type the password of your Mac and click Install Software. Next, open Finder and follow the path as shown in the video. Click the Gstreamer 1.0 folder, scroll to the end, and then Shift plus click to the last single file like I do in the video and select Copy. Then, go back to the crossover clone you have created before. Right-click, choose Show Package Content. Go into the Contents, Shared Support, Crossover, Lib64 folder. Paste the files you have copied into the folder. After restart the Mac, open Crossover Clone. Wait for some time, and let's enjoy the game.
It is a derby that really has taken on added significance in the last few years, as the noisy neighbours have, suffice it to say, got their message across. Stay tuned, we'll have all the action live from Old Trafford as Manchester United face Manchester City. Welcome to Manchester, a cracking derby in prospect and everyone on tenterhooks here at Old Trafford. It is United versus City. Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined as always by Stuart Robson. And Stuart, this should be thoroughly appetising.
Well, Derek, what more could you ask for? A noisy stadium, two very good teams and a massive rivalry. This should be an absolute classic.
The lineup for Manchester United. David De Gea between the posts. Aaron Wan-Bissaka starts alongside Luke Shaw as fullbacks. Anthony plays with Marcus Rashford in the wide positions. And the lead striker today is Anthony Martial. And so the starting 11 for Manchester City. Ederson is the goalkeeper. Nathan Ake plays with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays with Rodri in central midfield. And leading the line today is Erling Haaland.
Thank you for attending the Theatre of Dreams. Enjoy the match.
Underway at Old Trafford. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Casemiro. And United will get the throw-in. Well, they no longer have the ball. Well, he's a player who just seems to get better and better. I'm talking, of course, about Bruno Fernandes. Stuart, what do you think we'll see from him in this game?
Well, for me, Derek, his greatest attribute is his ability to combine with teammates, particularly in tight areas, in and around the box, clever little one-twos, little passes round the corner. He's the player that could be key to breaking down this defence.
And he's made headway. It has to be, surely. Well, the keeper had a lot to do.
Well, it's a great piece of goalkeeping, so quick off his line.
Rodri. De Bruyne now. Went in strongly, decisively. Gundogan. Can he find the right pass? Gundogan! Keeper getting the touch. And I think the threat has been averted. Martial. Martial! And a goal! That will do it. They've been pushing for it, and now they've been rewarded.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And the finish is clinical. He just makes it look so easy, doesn't he?
So back in action. Will there be a quick response from City? There needs to be. Opportunity in the wide area. Throw into Manchester City.